The next morning, in Professor Henry Higgins's home on Wimpole Street, London, sunlight pours through tall windows, lighting up a room filled with books, machines, and phonographs. Every corner humming with the spirit of science and sound. Higgins, the brilliant yet eccentric phonetics professor, begins another day devoted to his study of the human voice.
I want to be a lady in a flower shop, sir. I'll pay 1 shilling a lesson.
1 shilling? My dear girl, that wouldn't buy a single vowel from me.
I'll be good, ma'am. I will.
The flower girl from the previous night. Her clothes are torn, her hands rough, and her face smudged with dirt, but her eyes shine with determination. Ed Higgins bursts into laughter, amused by her bold offer. But deep inside, he's intrigued. A spark of challenge begins to grow. At that very moment, Colonel Pickering, a gentleman and expert in Indian dialects, happens to be visiting. He listens with delight to Eliza's strange request. Higgins,
In 6 months, I'll make a duchess of this draggle-tailed gutter-snipe.
Pickering. If you can do that, my dear Higgins, I'll pay for the whole experiment myself. And so the bet is made, a wager that will change Eliza's life forever. But not everyone is pleased with this idea. Mrs. Pierce, Higgins's housekeeper, frowns in disapproval. Mrs. Pierce, sir, you must treat this girl properly. She's no toy for an experiment. She'll need food, clothes, and kindness, not just lessons. Her words echo through the house like a mother's warning. Eliza, frightened yet hopeful, agrees to stay, her new life about to begin. Just when things settle, trouble arrives. In the form of Alfred Doolittle, Eliza's father, a dustman by trade and a shameless opportunist by nature. Doolittle. I don't want me girl back, sir. I just want what's fair. £5'll do. Higgins is appalled. A father selling his own daughter so cheaply, but he pays the man anyway, more out of pity than respect. Doolittle pockets the money and leaves, whistling down the street. Upstairs, Mrs. Pierce prepares a bath and new clothes for Eliza. The poor girl screams in shock. She's never known a real wash before. Eliza, what are you doing? It's freezing. Downstairs, Higgins and Pickering talk excitedly about their grand experiment. To them, it's a game of words and accents. But to Eliza, it's the start of something far greater. The act closes with Higgins eager to begin, and Eliza Doolittle, the humble flower girl, standing at the threshold of transformation, ready to become something extraordinary.